It's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and today I'm going to come to you with a bit of a Google Drive tip on how you can collaborate better using Google Docs. Now, as you can see here, we've got an action plan meeting that has been put together within one of the businesses we operate. And a lot of people have been named here. Now, the problem is when it lives here in this document, that's great, but if people miss it in Slack or whatever as it comes through, no one really knows what they've been assigned to. So what I'm going to show you is how you can assign certain areas of a Google Doc to specific people that are part of that organization. So all you need to do, you'll see in Google Drive here, when you highlight well, first of all, you'll see up in the top here, there's a little button here which says either editing, suggestions, or viewing. So if I wanted to make a suggestion, for instance, I could click on this tab here and I could go across to this, highlight it, and I could say delete it. And you'll see it'll put a green line through there. And then across here, I can put to release, last release, release ASAP. And then that there is done as a suggestion. Now, whoever owns that document can then go through and they can see the suggestion and they can either approve it or they can reject it. So that's how you would do that. The editing, as it basically suggests, is just where you go in there and you just make a straight up change. So I'll just cross that out and edit over the top of it. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you was quickly how to tag somebody in it. So you can see here that I've been mentioned a couple of times, but I didn't see this come through, so I haven't actioned it. Now, if I want to say Coxie to action this specific area and hold them accountable, almost like project management to a degree, I highlight it and I come across to, I can leave it like that actually. I come across this little button here. You'll notice when you highlight wherever your cursor goes, if you highlight anywhere, a little plus button will come up on the side and I can click on that and I can then type in the person's name. Now you can either put a plus symbol or you can put an @ symbol. And so in this instance, Peter Cox, and then I can type my comment, or you don't even need to type a comment. You can just say, if you just want to assign it, you click assign. If you want to put a message, you can type a message as well. And that will then come through to them as an email so they get notified. And if it's set up correctly, it'll also come through into their Slack channel. So they'll see that as well. So that's how you assign things, and that just means that people will get a little bit more accountability when you're trying to collaborate on a Google Doc, which is the whole purpose of Google Docs, is to make it collaborative. So I hope that helped.